Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Calendly for booking strategy step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.calendly.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see options to log in using your email, Google, or Microsoft accounts. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the login button below the field. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email for a message from Calendly. Open the email and click on the verification link to access your account. If you opted to log in with Google, click on the Google option. A window will pop up for you to select your Google account. Choose the Google account you wish to use or enter your credentials. If you prefer Microsoft, click on the Microsoft option. Enter your Microsoft email and password to log in. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Calendly dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you can manage your events and bookings. To set up a new event type, click on the New Event Type button. Now you are ready to implement your booking strategy using Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.